The following is a class on Srimad Bhagavatam, Canto 1, Chapter 15, Text number 27, given by His Divine Grace A. C. Bhaktivedanta, Swami Prabhupada, recorded on December 5th, 1973 in Los Angeles.
We have no knowledge of Krishna, conditioned soul. Therefore, for our understanding, He is so merciful, He descends as Archamurti. This deity which we are worshipping, that is called Archavatar, incarnation of Archa. He is accepting our worship, our prayer, our everything. He has descended just suitable for our handling. That is His mercy. Therefore, we should not consider that this Archa, Krishna, is made of stone. As atheists will say, that these foolish persons are worshipping heathens, they are worshipping. No, we are not worshipping stone, we are worshipping Krishna. But that they do not know. Krishna has appeared before us because at the present moment we cannot see except stone and wood. Therefore, suitable for our vision, He has appeared in such a way. Otherwise, how we can appreciate? Here, where they are searching after what is God, but here is God. Here is God. Therefore, in the Shastra, it is forbidden. Archa, Archi, Vishnu, Siladhi, Gurusu, Naramati, Vaishnavi, Jati, Buddhi. It is forbidden that when you worship deity, you should not think that it is made of wood or stone or something else material. No. What is this material? Material is, matter means the energy of Krishna. Just like the sunshine, or like the illumination of this light, it is the energy of the lamp. So it is not different. Similarly, as Krishna says in the Bhagavad Gita, Bhumi Rapo Nalo Vayu, this earth, water, air, fire, anything material, that is expansion of His energy. So He can accept your service through His energy. That is His omnipotency. That is called omnipotence. You cannot do anything, your personal affairs with your energy. But you can sometimes do. Suppose if you have got money, even being present on the spot, by spending money, you can get the things done. The money will act for you. Similarly, Krishna being omnipotent, He can take your service through His agency, through His potency. And potency means Shakti. Shakti, Shaktimato Abheda. Krishna and His potency is not different. So, Krishna by His causeless mercy, He has appeared before you in a manner by which you can touch Him, you can handle Him, you can dress Him, you can give Him. This is Krishna's mercy. It is not idle mercy. Therefore it is forbidden. Don't think it is idle. God.
The Bhagavad Gita, or any authentic scriptural sound representation of the Lord, is also the incarnation of the Lord. There is no difference between the sound representation of the Lord and the Lord Himself. One can derive the same benefit from the Bhagavad Gita as Arjuna did in the personal presence of the Lord.
You can derive the same benefit as Arjuna by reading Bhagavad Gita. Uh, people say that Arjuna was enlightened because Krishna was present before him. But Krishna is present before you also, by his words, by his sound representation. Just like Hare Krishna mantra, Krishna's name, it is not different from Krishna. Now, Abhinnatya Namanamina. Nami, here in the material world, the name and the person whose name, that is different, because it is material. If you want water, this water is substance, or water is different from the name water. You cannot quench your thirst simply by chanting water, water. That is not possible, because it is material. But you can realize the Supreme Personality of Godhead by chanting Hare Krishna mantra. That is the significance of spiritual and material. Otherwise, how people are satisfied simply by chanting Hare Krishna mantra? Let him chant some other name, material. No, you cannot chant more than 3 times. Then you will feel tired. But you can go on chanting Hare Krishna Mahamantra for hundreds and millions of years. It still will not feel tired. That is the difference. Therefore, his name and he is not different. Abhinnata Nama Chintamani Krishna Chaitanya Rasa Vigraha Purna Suddha Nitya Mukta Abhinnatyat Nama Namina. This is the Shastric injunction. Nama, the holy name of Sri Chaitanya, Krishna, is abhinna, not different from Krishna. Nama Chinta, Purna Suddha, it's full, complete, not that little less, no. Full, Purna, Suddha, and uncontaminated. Just like Krishna is uncontaminated. Similarly, his name is also uncontaminated. Purna Suddha Nitya, eternal. As Krishna is eternal, name is also eternal. Purna Suddha Nitya Mukta, Avinnata, because they are not different one with one another. So, the most important word is Desha Kalartha Juktari. Desha, time and space. Bhagavad Gita is because non-different from Krishna. As Krishna is everywhere, then similarly Bhagavad Gita can be appreciated in every country, every season, every circumstances. That is Desha Kala Artha Juktani. Then Hittapo Uposapani Cha. Hittapo. There is a hit tapa. Hit means heart. And tapa means, real meaning is temperature. Or temperature if you take, just like Agni tapo. Agni means fire, and tapa it has got temperature. So to a certain degree you can tolerate. But when the degree, just like in India, we have got temperature in summer season, 120 degrees. Here, just like in your country, the temperature is less. The other country, the temperature in the Middle East, the temperature is 135 degrees, Arabian countries. There are 3 tapas, 3 kinds of miserable condition. This material world. That also can be taken. Tapa. Tapa means suffering. Excessive heat and cold. That is called tapa. So, Hityapa Upasamanicha. The teachings of Bhagavad Gita, we are suffering always within the heart. As Narottam Das Thakur says, that Bishaya Bishanale Dibanisi Hiya Jole. Vijaya means this material enjoyment. It is just like poison. The more we are entangled in material enjoyment, there is no enjoyment, it is suffering. But we are taking suffering as enjoyment. Just like in this winter season, we cover ourselves very nicely with gloves, with overcoat. It is simply counteracting the suffering. But a man who has got a nice overcoat and gloves, he is thinking he is enjoying. This is Maya. He forgets that he is simply trying to counteract the suffering. Actually, he is suffering. But having a nice coat or nice place, he is thinking that he is enjoying. That is foolishness. That is called Maya. There is no enjoyment in this material. Simply you are trying to counteract the suffering. This counteraction of suffering we are accepting as enjoyment. So, this material world means you must suffer. That is the position of the material. Why you have come to material? Just like in the prison life, how you can expect enjoyment there? But a man, suppose a big politician is put into the jail and is given a very nice, comfortable bungalow and everything, but he is in the jail. But he is thinking that I am enjoying. He forgets that he is in the jail. He is in the jail. That is called ignorance, Maya. He is suffering and is accepting. It's like the pig. He is eating stool, but he is thinking he is enjoying. This is going on. So Hityapa, in this, I have to say, ocean of suffering, Vijaya Vishanale Dimani, the more we want to enjoy, the more sufferings entangle, more suffering. You can understand that now we got this car, horseless car, but now there is a problem. They are thinking if there is no petrol available, then what will happen? So this is material existence. Vijaya Vishanale Divarse, anxiety. That anxiety is suffering. What will happen? What will happen? That is material existence. Sada samadhibhigna dhiya. Always full of anxieties. This is material life. So, Narottam Das Thakur says that Vijaya Vishanale Divarisi hiya jole. The heart is burning on account of this material existence. Toribare na koinu upar. But I did not try to find out the means by which I can get out of this. Golokero premodhana harinama sankirtana rotina janmila keno ta. The medicine is this Hari, Krishna, Krishna's teachings, Krishna's name, Krishna's glorification. That is the real medicine. But we have no attraction for these things. We are simply trying to counteract the suffering. And we are accepting this counteraction as enjoying. The Bhagavad Gita, Haranti smaratas chittang. So, actually, if we want to enjoy life, then we should take the instruction of Bhagavad Gita, Krishna, we shall chant Hare Krishna mantra. That will give us relief from the blazing fire. Samsara dava nalalila lok. Tranaya karunya kanaganatta. This is the only way. Otherwise, so when Arjuna was too much perturbed by absence of Krishna, he was simply remembering the instruction of Krishna, which he received in the battle of Kurukshetra. Thank you.